Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika wish me video. Mema rem to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia betwa with Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The best be creamy wheat porridge. May you na me taste it. It tastes really nice. Yes, that's it. Where you treat no be wash. O wash you na the good sauce pan we no ede ewu mu. Wodi ensuo ede aka ho. Eye se ensuo na ede oso kakra. Uwi anu akata so. Esi eja so kosi tama ebeben. Ba wo ho anu wa check ede ahwe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Aka krama na ben no. That with the salt kakra yeden egu mu. Aha no upese we use sugar betimi eden use upe honey so betimi eden use me use brown sugar. Na wa mixing na together. Kakra na wa twe. Na wa serve. If my trust dey kan share my video mema rem to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto wa Sabeka. Me ye na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our creamy wheat porridge. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.